Y'all, this is a Klein MODbox system. I'm going to look at the bottom box here. This is the rolling toolbox, kind of the base for this whole Klein MODbox operation. In case you've never seen how this works before, all these boxes are interlocked. You can take them off one-handed. So it's totally modular. You can mix and match different boxes. That's the big one there. But here she blows. So this is one of your bases you can use. They make a couple different kinds, but I do prefer this one. This is the 2-drawer base. Let's get up close and look at it. All right, so this is the 54801MB. So this is your base for your rolling toolbox. So this is the one that has the wheels. This is the one that has the extendable handle up here. It's kind of cool. It's got some carve-outs here, so if you wanted to put some tools through here, like a crowbar or a square or something like that, or a level, they'll slide right through there. I don't have anything too gigantic, but here's a big wrench. Yeah, see that? Pass right through. Okay, great example. My level's otherwise indisposed at the moment, so you can use that all one-handed. It's got these rails on the side, and on those rails you can mount something like this little junk holder. What I like about this setup is that if we want to just use this to squat on, we could use this like a stinking stool. Anyway, on the top, a little ruler. There's a groove in here. You could put something in here if you had to measure it. The front of it locks like this. So you unlock that bar to be able to get in here. Top drawer has some dividers in here. They're modular, so you can remove these. They're in here pretty tight right now, but I assure you, you can remove them. Bottom drawer, much bigger. Again, you've got some modular dividers. This is pretty deep though. This is just short of 10 inches deep. So let's call it 9.5 inches deep. 16.5 inches wide. So you could throw your circular saw in there, whatever, right? It'll fit in there. But I like this pull-out better than the ones that hinge from the top, because the ones that hinge from the top, you got to take everything off. This one, we can stack all of our junk on here and just pull out the drawers to get into what we need to get into. So I just really prefer this setup to the ones that hinge from the top. So there we go. That's your modular toolbox base for the MODbox system.